Alright, so you're going to open Photoshop, and this time what you're going to do is create a new document, File, New. The default size is 7 by 5, so we'll use that, and it has a white background. And you're going to call this one Brushes with your first and last initial, so it will be Brushes. And you're going to save that in a folder on your desktop for now, so you can make a new folder and just call it your Photoshop files and with your initial, and save your work there so you know where it is when you want to upload it to Canvas. The first thing that you'll notice is that there's a box up here. Well, you press B for brush. When you press B for brush, a little brush icon will appear. Then you can click this icon and a panel will come up, and here's the different brushes. So what you can do is you can use the slider and change the size of the brush. You can also set it for hard or soft or different patterns. There's different types of brushes and brush settings. So we'll try this one first, or this one. You might want to make a blue sky, and you might want to have it pretty large. So you can take this slider and slide it all the way, and this will create kind of a blue sky. Then you can add some darkish earth colors for the ground. And then you can experiment with the brushes. So you might want to try different brush settings. I like this one here. And you can use a different color each time, so it doesn't have to be this drab color. You might want to try pink. So you can just add this pattern here, or you can actually change the color again and down here make it darker, make kind of a ground space. And then the next thing you want to do is choose a brush for drawing, and this time we're going to just add some branches or some branches of something that coming out of the ground. And you can close this panel here. And then you might want to add your own twist to this. Okay, so once you've decided on your scene, then you're just going to save again because you already saved it, and then upload it to Canvas, and that is it.